covered in mayflies in July. July 11th to be exact. And they are all over the place. One thing that's kind of neat is how they all are lined up the same direction, looking the same way up the whole wall, kind of like cattle in a herd. Now you get over here and they're just frickin' everywhere. I mean, look at this window. Look. Okay, see the window encased in them, and they're all over this ground, and they are just moving like crazy. When you look at them, like I say, it's really strange. The ground is just covered with them. And then this telephone pole on the dark side of it, all the way up. All the way up, the telephone pole. All facing the same direction. Very, 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 very strange.